Today I want to talk to you about design for manufacturability. The key to designing for manufacturability is to let the engineers that are going to potentially make this part look at it and know how this part is going to be used, know how it interfaces with the other parts in your project. And then maybe we can find ways to use a thinner material. Maybe we could down gauge the material. Maybe we can change materials and run a thinner material. You get less weight, you get less cost. Maybe it takes less time to process it. You know, the time on our forming machines, a lot of it is dictated by the thickness of the material. So if we've got a thinner material, it takes less time on the forming machine. You pay for the cycle time on the forming machine and you pay for the cycle time on the trimming machine. Maybe we could help you do less trim. We've got a job running right now in our shop. I was looking at this yesterday afternoon when I was out in the shop, and the mold came to us from someplace else, and there was a step that had been put on this mold. And by the way, the step was not part of the part, it was just on the tool. We're having to do a second machining operation to take that off. So this customer could have saved a minute per part if we would not have had that step on that tool. But if we would have had a conversation, our engineers would not have put that step there, and we would have saved at least a minute on the forming operation. Now, that minute is money in your pocket, but the biggest deal is that minute is time. And we could make that many more parts in a day if we save a minute every time we trim a part. We're all about American manufacturing. That's why I'm taking this time to help you. Thank you for watching our videos.